Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I love banana bread. Love it. Sometimes I think I go to the grocery store and buy bananas just so they'll go get too ripe so that I can make banana bread, like these 5 bananas here. Sometimes I like to change it up a bit and put chocolate chips in my banana bread, and that's usually what I do. But my husband got me this book called Dine In by Allison Roman. And she has a recipe in here for, it's called cocoa banana bread. So it's like a chocolate banana bread. So this is what we're going for right here. So I haven't made this recipe before. Today's the first time. So come along and join me. Let's see how this turns out. So the first thing we need to do, according to the recipe, is just whisk all of our dry ingredients together. So this is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. So I think this is where the cocoa part comes in. And then we have a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to whisk this all together just to get any lumps or bumps out. And to a stand mixer with a bowl attached, and you can use a hand mixer too if you don't have a stand mixer, that's fine. I'm adding a third of a cup of regular sugar, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. This is 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to beat this until everything is combined. So I've actually beaten the sugar and the butter for about 3 minutes. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to scrape down the sides of the bowl. It's really nice and fluffy, and that's what we're going for. Now I'm going to add an egg, and I'm going to put this back on the mixer, and we're going to beat it for about another 2 minutes. Now with the mixer on low, I'm going to add our dry ingredients just until everything is combined. I like to add this in increments so you don't get this big poof of dry ingredients in your face. One thing I forgot to do is mash up my beautifully overripe bananas. And these are so ripe, I can just do it with a fork and just slightly mashed. I think this is probably good enough, just like that. Now, right now, our dry ingredients and the sugar and the butter are looking a little crumbly, and I guess that's how it's supposed to be. I guess we'll find out. But now what I need to do is add the banana. I'm saving this one, it's gonna go on top. And the other thing we need is, this is a 1/2 cup of full-fat sour cream. The recipe called for mascarpone cheese, but I didn't have it, but you can definitely substitute with a full-fat sour cream or a full-fat yogurt. And just with a spatula, all you do is you just mix this all together. We'll see what we get. Here we go. This is what our mixture looks like, and we have some chunks of banana in here. It's looking really good. Now we just need to get it into a pan. So I've gone ahead and greased a 9x5 baking pan, and the recipe calls for a 1/4 cup of turbinado sugar, and we're going to put this into our greased pan and just coat the whole thing with this sugar, like this. Now we're going to take our batter and pour it into our prepared pan. This is looking more like a cake batter than anything. Wow. I can't wait to try this. And we're going to spread this out evenly. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the last banana, cut side up, and we're going to place that on the batter like this. Just press it in a little bit. It doesn't have to be covered. And then we're going to take another 1/4 cup of turbinado sugar, and we're going to sprinkle that all over the top. All right, here we go. This is what we're looking like right now. And I think this turbinado sugar is just going to caramelize those bananas on top. So we have to cook this for an 1.5 hours. So 1 hour and 30 minutes to 1 hour and 40 minutes. There's a lot of banana in here, so it's going to take a long time to cook. So see you in a bit. Here we are. Look at that. And just for ha-has, let's take a picture, look at the picture from the book. All right, so yeah, I think I came pretty close. Now you'll notice It has a crusty exterior, and I think that's from the turbinado sugar. So it's kind of caramelized, and this darkness here, that's the banana. So it's caramelized the banana. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it right in half from the middle. Oh, it is very moist inside, very soft. Oh, look at that. Look at the color on that. Now that is impressive. Cut into a slice here. No fork here. I'm just eating. Oh. Mmm. Hold on a tick. So the outside is coated with that turbinado sugar. So you're getting like a nice crunchiness on the top and on the sides from when we put the turbinado sugar in the pan. And the cocoa, and the banana. I was thinking maybe I'd put chocolate chips in here, but I don't think it needs it. I think that would be overkill. This is really good the way it is. Well, I think this cocoa banana bread turned out really well, having never made it before. So thanks for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.